Glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
I'll be right with you. This time, nothing can go wrong. Okay, here we go with another cartoon. Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you. Sympathy Loan Company. Borrow on your car.
Aha! A sucker! Come in, come in! How are you today, my little man? A low type of moron, isn't he? I presume you want a loan.
Shoot the dough to me, Joe.
Very well. Sign here. Here's your money.
Oh, boy. Money.
Remember, if this isn't paid in 30 days, I take your car.
30 days have elapsed. So has Woody's memory. That's me. That's funny. I thought I heard someone knock. 1, interest $365.50. Balance due $366.50. Wow.
I guess there's nobody home. Bet you didn't know it was me, did you? This'll get that little red-headed woodpecker.
Why the whistle, Sizzle?
Birthday present for Woody Woodpecker!
Oh, boy. A birthday cake.
Oh!
Oh, boy. I don't like cheesecake.
Now, do I get my money or do I take it out of your hide?
Let's not get nosy, bud. Oh! You broke my little head! You broke my little head! Oh! You cracked my little skull!
Come, I was only fooling. What have I done? What have I done? I'll forget about the loan. Look, I'll tear it up. Just speak to me. Speak to me. Mammy.
How about a loan on the clock, Doc?